guys, how are you? Good, so, or not well? So today, nós iremos fazer uma atividade que vai precisar daquelas plaquinhas de true or false. Aquelas plaquinhas que são green and red, ok? O que acontecerá na atividade? A teacher vai mostrar fotos de farm animals, né? Pictures de farm animals. A teacher vai perguntar se é tal farm animal. Se ela estiver certa, vocês vão levantar a plaquinha que é green. E se ela estiver errada, vocês vão levantar a plaquinha que é red. Yes, very good. So, let's start. Is this a dog? A dog? No, it isn't. It is a cat. Cat. Is this a cheek? Cheek. Yes, it is a cheek. Are these chickens? Chickens. Yes, they are chickens. Are these puppies? Puppies. No, they are cows. Cows. Is this a cat? A cat? No, it isn't. It is a dog. Dog. Are these ducks? Ducks? Yes, they are. They are ducks. Are these sheep? Sheep. No, they aren't. They are goats. Goats. Are these horses? Horses. Yes, they are horses. Very nice. Is this a kitten? Kitten. Yes, it is a kitten. Are these lambs? Lambs. Yes, they are lambs. Is this a cow? Cow? No, it isn't. It is a mouse. Mouse. Is this a piglet? Piglet. No, it isn't. It is a pig. Pig. Is this a cat? Cat. No, it isn't. It is a piglet. Piglet. Are these puppies? Puppies. Yes, they are puppies. Is this a goat? Goat? No, it isn't. It is a sheep. Sheep. So that's it, guys. Espero que vocês tenham gostado da activity. Bye bye. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go. Goodbye, goodbye. I don't wanna go. See you later, alligator. Bye, bye, bye. butterfly. Goodbye. Bye bye.